Hey everybody, before I get on to it, remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Well, it's the start of the year kind of point, January, and it's about 40 degrees out and raining. I'm going to take a squirrel that was frozen, still has his fur on. I'm going to burn the fur off and cook the rest of it inside in a nice stew. I'm going to be cooking with Brandon. He's behind the camera outside doing some stuff. So let's get making a fire, and it is really raining out, but fantastic. Okay, let's get this fire going. What, some birch bark, and then I'm not letting my hand on fire. Okay, well, I put the smoker on top, but I don't have the center section, so fire's going. I added some wood, a little bit more, and it's just nice and hot. So I'm going to put the squirrel right on top of the grill and burn the fur right off. Here's the squirrel, and I'm going to thaw it out a little bit for a bit. Give it a couple minutes, just thawing it out. Burn any fur that's on there. Hot, hot. Here's the squirrel. I'm going to let the squirrel sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to scrape the fur off. Comes right off. I'm going to add the squirrel. The onions. The peppers. Tomato sauce. Zucchini juice. A half container of zucchini juice. And I'm going to use my hands, move the stuff around, mix it all together. Brandon's here. It's really thick raw. Let me cut off a piece. And this is skin, a little skin, fat, and meat. So let's try it. This is from the back leg. Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of like barbecue. Fatty, chewy, finger looking. Let's try the broth. Okay, take a little bit. That looks like just a pure spoonful of oil.
Tastes like onions.
Okay, well I put like a whole onion in there.
Taste it just tastes like onions. No,
that is about a quarter inch of fat.
Did you put spices in there? It just tastes like onion.
Ooh, that's good. Yeah, it tastes like just onion. Yeah, I agree.
So, what spice is that?
Pickling spice.
Oh.
I just put the pickle, the zucchini juice. I put red sauce in it. A little red sauce, onion, and pepper.
It tastes like beef.
So
pork stew.
Yeah. Squirrel is at the same ratio of pork. So my hands are glistening with fat. So we're gonna eat this for dinner, and it's fantastic. And remember, always get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.